Do you know what this chamber next to the spark plug actually does? Most riders don't even notice it, but it plays an important role in the engine's cooling system. As the motorcycle moves forward, cool air enters through the larger front opening. The air is then guided through a narrower passage, which increases its flow speed and directs it right toward the base of the spark plug. This continuous airflow helps remove heat from the spark plug area and improves overall engine cooling. Keeping the spark plug base cooler allows it to operate more efficiently, reduces excessive heat buildup, and helps maintain stable engine performance, especially during long rides, heavy traffic, or hot weather conditions. Even though it's a small and often overlooked component, it contributes to better airflow management around the engine. So whenever you're servicing your motorcycle, make sure this chamber is clean, properly installed, and free from dirt or blockages. A clean airflow path can make a real difference in cooling, performance, and overall engine reliability.